Do you wake up every morning feeling like your lower back is completely locked up? Does sitting at your desk for more than an hour leave you with a dull, constant ache? I have consulted with thousands of women globally, and back pain is one of the most common, exhausting struggles they face. You've probably tried everything: massages, painkiller sprays, and hours of random yoga stretches from YouTube. But what happens? You feel good for a few hours, and then the pain comes right back. Why is it coming back? That happens because you are treating the symptom, not the root cause. Hello, I am your wellness coach, Jay Prakash. In this 10-minute masterclass, I am going to reveal why all those stretches are failing you and the real reason your back is hurting. And make sure you watch until the very end, because I am going to share a simple daily routine that can help you fix this pain permanently from the comfort of your home.
Let's use a simple piece of logic. Imagine a strong, straight pillar holding up a roof. If you attach a heavy weight to just one side of that pillar, what happens? It starts to bend, crack, and ache under the uneven pressure. That pillar is your spine, and that heavy weight is excess belly fat. Medical science is very clear on this. When you carry extra weight around your midsection, it literally pulls your pelvis forward. This creates a harsh, unnatural curve in your lower back. Your back muscles are forced to work overtime, 24 hours a day, just to keep you standing upright. They become tight, exhausted, and inflamed. If your back is constantly fighting against 10 or 15 kilos of extra body weight, how can a 10-minute massage fix it? It can't. This is where 99% of women make a massive mistake. When their back hurts, they think they need to do extreme core workouts, or they just rest completely and stop moving. But doing heavy workouts with a compromised back only leads to worse injuries. As a wellness coach, I teach a very strict golden rule: 80% nutrition, 20% workout. Exercise is only 20% of the equation. If you want to take that massive, exhausting load off your lower back, you have to fix the inflammation and drop the excess weight from the inside out. That happens in your kitchen. Until you fix your 80% nutrition, no amount of stretching will cure your back pain. So how do we use nutrition to heal your back? You don't need complicated, starving diets. You need smart, healing foods. Here are the 3 pillars of nutrition you need to focus on to fix your back. Number 1, anti-inflammatory foods. Your back muscles are aching because they are inflamed. Refined sugar and processed carbs act like fuel on that fire. To put the fire out, you need to add anti-inflammatory foods to your daily diet. Think about adding a pinch of black pepper and turmeric to your meals, eating more leafy greens like spinach, and getting healthy omega-3 fats from walnuts or flax seeds. Number 2, bone and joint support. Your spine needs structural support. If you are deficient in calcium and vitamin D, your bones become weak, making back pain worse. Make sure you are getting some morning sunlight and include natural sources like almonds, sesame seeds, and low-fat dairy in your diet. Number 3, lean protein for muscle repair. To hold your spine up properly, your core muscles need to be strong, and muscles are built from protein. Most women eat breakfasts packed with empty carbs, like white bread or plain poha. Instead, switch to high-quality protein. Include things like sprouts, lentils, paneer, eggs, or tofu in every single meal. Protein helps repair those tired back muscles so they can support your spine without hurting. If you want to start feeling relief today, I want you to apply these 3 rules. Rule 1, hydrate your spine. The discs between your spinal bones are mostly made of water. If you are dehydrated, those discs shrink and cause friction. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Rule 2, fix your posture at work. If you have a desk job, set an alarm to stand up and walk for 2 minutes every single hour. Rule 3, replace high-impact workouts with low-impact mobility. For your 20% workout, avoid heavy lifting or jumping. Focus on gentle walking, swimming, or basic yoga poses like the cat-cow stretch to gently release tension. As I promised at the beginning, if you want to implement this 80% nutrition and 20% workout lifestyle, but you need a personalized plan that fits your busy schedule, I am here to help. I offer online nutrition and wellness consultations to women all across the globe. You can book a free health check and consultation directly with me. Just click the WhatsApp link I've left in the description below, and let's start your journey to a pain-free, healthy life today.